along here. Okay, now it looks like all the wires are exposed. We should be able to pop the screen off now. There might be some other screws holding it in. Let's check the back. No. Nope, it just had to be pulled off a little bit. Now that we got the screen out of the picture, let's get this other speaker off here. See, the problem is as these computers get more and more new and complex, they add more and more components, and they're getting more and more tighter spaces, so they're a little smaller. And it's held on by a piece of black tape here, which is going into the motherboard through this connector here. It slides right out of there. And now speakers come on. You know, I suspect, I can't see any corrosion in these areas here, but I suspect under this metal plate we're going to see some white crusty corrosion. Just going to start loosening up some ribbon cables here, getting them out of the way. Okay, another ribbon cable here. That circuit board doesn't want to come out yet. We'll leave it on there for now. Alright, let's plan our next point of attack here, our next move. We want to get to the motherboard, so got to get the top cover off of the bottom cover. So let's just start taking these two screws out here and see what happens. Get these ribbon cables unattached. This thing is much more complex than I thought it was going to be. Okay. Screws out. Let's see. This screw might give us a problem. That looks like most of the screws on the top layer here. Okay, let's flip it around. Take all the remaining screws out of the bottom part of the case now. This is the hard drive. You can see about a little hard drive symbol right there. It's going to pull right out when you take those two screws out. Just checking to see if I have all the screws. Looks like I do. So let's see if this bottom cover will come apart from the top cover. Okay, we got some action over here on this side. And so far so good.